There's comfort in your rhythm, slow inhale, slow out. While my brain runs circles, chasing every doubt. Your tail thumps once, like you disagree with all the worst things I think about me. You don't ask questions, you don't need proof. You just rest your head against my truth. The sound of your breathing keeps me here. More than philosophy, more than fear. You don't know anxiety, you just know ground. And somehow your heartbeat pulls mine down. You stretch across the hardwood, claiming half the room. Like panic's just a passing car, not certain doom. You sigh in your sleep, like the day was long, but not catastrophic, not fundamentally wrong. No future rehearsal, no past to defend, just a steady reminder I'm safe in this end. The sound of your breathing keeps me here. More than any sermons I have here. You don't aim the darkness, you don't chase the wire, you just stay beside me while the storms pass by. When my chest goes tight, like a wall's moved in, you nudge your nose against my skin. No speech is given, no grand design, just I'm still here, in a language kinder than mine. We don't measure words in wins or applause. You just trust the air and unguard your pause. The sound of your breathing in the dark is a lighthouse without a spark. No fixing, no preaching, no grand plan, just four quiet feet and a steady span. I spend my days trying to now run my mind. You spend yours waiting at the door. You don't heal me with answers, you heal me with presence. And tonight that's enough.